In this episode, we are again coming back to the world of books. Books, in my series, I call them Maha books or great books, which I read and which I recommend to the viewers for trying it out from their own perspective. For broadening our horizon, I made a series on how to select books, how to read it in various formats. I will suggest 4 books, I'll mention a few others, and these are essentially the books which I liked from the dozens that I read every month. Some I am able to finish, some I am just about to finish, some I am unable to go beyond the first few pages. The first book this week that I want to recommend is a book called The Originals. This book is by Adam Grant, and this deals with the value of original ideas in creating the new world that we want to see for ourselves and for our next generation. The non-conformist or going off the beaten track is the crux of new thinking, new horizons, new discoveries, new innovations. Adam Grant takes a lot of examples from business, politics, sports, entertainment. He is one of the very highly regarded teachers at the Wharton Business School. He has taken experience from his students who have created many original ideas. The Originals by Adam Grant. The second book that I want to recommend is David Cameron's autobiography, For the Record. David Cameron, Prime Minister of UK, at a time when the world was going through a crisis, and not only he took the best advantage of the traditional friendship of UK and USA to gather a consortium which will make world opinion come about to an idea of a new world. But British politics, which always has been the fulcrum of the evolution of the politics in general, and the city of London, which is one of the most famous financial centers of the world. As a student of some of the very elite schools, his marriage, his childhood, all have come out live. I've gone through half of it. It's very well written. Sometimes it is a little dry and sometimes may appear a little foreign, but in today's world, I think For the Record gives us one of the better political autobiographies that has been written. The third book that I have recently picked up and I'm just about to start is Shashi Tharoor's The Hindu Way. Hinduism, along with other religions, have been politicized to a great extent. Hindu practices versus political beliefs, their classes, and the Hindu way as synchronizing and synonymous with the Indian way has been subjected to a lot of debate. This book is very well researched, and it gives under 300 pages, just about 303, 304 pages. It gives a good exposition of what are the key beliefs, key philosophical anchors of Hindu religion, and what is the Hindu way. Hindu way transcends the boundaries of Hindu religion. Very interesting book. So these 3 books, in addition, I have just finished reading another book that is called Geography of the Genius. And Geography of the Genius is by Eric Weiner. He says that the genius doesn't come to you by just genetics. It depends on the city on which you are living. It depends on how the others are facilitating. This is the book. Eric Weiner's Geography of the Genius, the local book club, we just did the reading. Very interesting book. They have taken 7 cities of the world, Athens to Hangzhou, then going to Florence, Vienna, Edinburgh, Bay Area or the Silicon Valley, and of course our own Kolkata. So read the 7 cities, how they have bred genius. You may have different ideas, but marrying of travelogue with a particular research thesis, very interesting book. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this show as much as I did while doing it.